On the 3rd day of March, in the 95th year of the 20th century of our pagan lords of Gallegos, the crew assembled. It was night, like always. They were somber, unlike always. One of their own was being laid to rest. Morris spoke first.
Comrades, tonight we lay a fellow journey traveler to rest. This marks the day of our doom. The end to the journey travelers, completely. Oscar, the leader, has fallen. Not ill, but fallen from his 75th story apartment window. How, you might ask? He wanted.
But why would he? Especially with the final journey coming so soon. We were almost there. And the police report was not conclusive.
Gloria, why ask questions that just can't be answered? All we know is that Master Oscar is gone, and we are doomed. Please, just mourn softly with the rest of us. Our final journey cannot be completed anymore. Just accept that.
Thank you, Rudy. You are right. The final journey must have never been meant to be. Oscar must have wanted this. He must have wanted this.
Wait! Why would we abandon the journey when we are so close? Enough power has been generated already. We are almost there. We are practically there. What tells us we need Oscar?
As long as there's no conspiracy going on here. I guess you're right. We could elect a new master. Poor Oscar.
How dare you? We cannot complete our final journey without our master here. As I said earlier, we are doomed.
What do you think, Rudy?
I don't know. Oscar was such a good leader. All of the power we generated was because of him. I just don't think we can go on without him. It wouldn't be right.
Where is Oscar? Where is Oscar? No, he couldn't have. He couldn't have. Oscar took all the power and went on the journey himself. How could he? How could he? This is beyond tragic. The final journey is out of reach until we generate enough power again. Which I don't see happening anytime soon.
500 moons ahead of time, after this meeting adjourned, guess who was found together? Smitten with their successful scheme to steal the power. Oscar and Rudy lived happily ever after.